Guys, come here. I want to show you a secret. I want to show you a really cool tip on how you can get your website to show more signals, more authority, more consistency to Google and all the different platforms. So get over here. Come on. Come here. Come here. What are you waiting for? Come here. Come here. Okay, so let's say you go to your favorite website when it comes to stock footage for your website, because you want something really nice, really clean, really professional. So I would pick like adobe.com, for example, and I type in HVAC contractor, and then here's a nice little photo of a technician checking out a mini split system. So I'm just gonna go ahead and download that. And I'm gonna go into downloads, and right here is that mini split, right there. Let's say I wanted to go ahead and put this image on my home page of my website. So before I'm ever gonna do that, I wanna show you this really important trick on how to name your file before you ever upload it to your website builder. I don't wanna lose you, stay with me. This is really cool and really important. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and click on this image, and I'm gonna say HVAC mini split installation. So that takes care of the what. We're gonna put in the who here, which would be the name of the company. So let's just say it's Johnny's HVAC LLC. And let's just say he's based out of Fort Worth, Texas. And he's wanting to rank this mini split installation service in Fort Worth, Texas. The next step that we're gonna do is we're gonna go to our media file in our WordPress website builder, and we're gonna go ahead and add this picture, okay? So we're gonna click on that. We're gonna go to select files. We're gonna go find our image there that we named correctly. And that's gonna start uploading. Okay, so right here, you guys, I just clicked on the image that we're gonna use for this mini split installation page example. And this is the alternative text that I'm talking about. We don't wanna overcomplicate things. And so what we're gonna do is just go back to our file here where we had that picture named, and I just like to copy the file name just like that, and then go back to our website builder, and in this case I'm using WordPress, and we're just going to go ahead and copy and paste that mug right in to there, and then I'm going to hit the tab key, and notice how that little saved thing popped up. That's really important, because if you don't do that, it won't save. Now I'm going to go to pages, and I'm going to scroll down here and find my mini split page, and we're going to go to edit that mini split page. And so we need to go ahead and click edit, and I'm going to go ahead and just delete that picture, and I'm going to go ahead and click on this add media button, and then guess what I'm going to do? I'm just going to click on this bad boy here, and I'm going to come over here, hit insert, and there it is. And I want that picture to be really big, and so I'm gonna go to this edit, and I'm gonna let's go to large. We'll update it, see how that goes. Boom, that's perfect. So that, my friends, is how we get an image properly uploaded to your website. See you later, alligator.